and welcome to my Messy Blessed Life. My name is Denise, and if this is your first time here, please consider subscribing, liking this video, and sharing it if you found it helpful. Here on my channel, I like to share a little bit of my daily life as a stay-at-home mommy of 2 little boys. I also like to share what I do for cleaning, and I also like to share some recipes. And today I will be sharing with you guys what I do after dinner on most nights. This is the time where I am pretty much in the zone. The boys are sleeping and I can get things done a lot faster without being interrupted as much. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know sometimes after a long day of working, if you are a working parent, you come home, cook, and you know, it's really exhausting to do the cleaning after you just got home, or if you're a stay-at-home parent and you've been taking care of your kids all day and the house, cooking, and then having to clean once again right before bed. Sometimes it's exhausting and we don't do it. We do it for another day or for the next day, and this is just some motivation just to get it done. That way you wake up with a beautiful clean home and your chores are not piling up. On this day, the rest of my house had already been super cleaned. I was on a cleaning mode the day before, so the rest of my house was really clean. And just this day, the kitchen and the living room is what needed TLC. As always, it's the 2 areas that are always getting dirty. And on this night, I had to take out a few recycle items, and I just decided to get a rag. And this is something I always do, is I get a rag with just some water, warm water, and I just wipe down all the surfaces that I will be cleaning. And then I use another microfiber cloth with a degreaser or a all-purpose cleaner. So what I was doing here, I was just getting that same cloth and wiping down my stovetop just to make sure that I was getting that oil that had jumped or any food that had fallen out, just making sure it was out of the way before I used my degreaser.
To this, cross love from my list of to-dos. I didn't ask to be turned around, upside down, but here we are, and it's a good thing. With you, I'm the girl that I want.
video, I will also be showing you guys how I decorated for Valentine's Day. I didn't make a video just because it was so simple and I kept it very minimal that I just didn't think it was needed. I could show you guys on a different video like how I will be showing you today. And this is how I like to decorate for Valentine's Day. Just something simple, just a little festive, not too much. I do like Valentine's Day, but not that much to decorate the house like I do for Christmas or for fall time.
Found the key, got nowhere left to hide. You bring out the best in me, more than I ever knew I had inside. Don't know why or how. With you, I'm the girl that I want to be. It just feels right somehow. To all of my doors, you have found the key. Got nowhere left to hide.
Now to tackle one of the chores that I dislike doing the most, and that is washing dishes. I think it's up there with laundry. I'm not sure which one I dislike the most, but these are the two chores that I dislike. And on this day, I had let the dishes pile up throughout the day, and I think I'm regretting it because I usually wash my dishes by hand throughout the day, like the kids' cups or anything like that. But this day I just let them pile up so I could let the dishwasher run. But I also made dinner, so I did have some pots and pans plus our dinner plates. So there was quite a bit of plates and dishes to wash this day. Let me know what you guys dislike doing the most out of all your chores. After I wash my dishes, I do like to clean my sink with some bleach, and I also like to use Blue Ajax, but I didn't have Blue Ajax, so I did use the Comet, the green bleach Comet. I just feel like this really makes your white sink or even a white tub really get cleaned up, especially if you just had food lingering in your sink and sometimes it can stain. This really helps keep that white sink very clean and sparkly and keeping it looking new. And plus it disinfects, making sure that nobody's getting sick, and that's what I love about using bleach after, you know, dirty germs and food has been in there.
Where the
this is one tip that I will be sharing with you guys. I love to do this with my flowers. So I have had these pink carnations for over a week and they are struggling, they're starting to get a little sad, but they are still pretty good for being in my home for over a week. And what I like to do is I like to add ice once I start seeing that the water is running low. I do add a little bit of water, but I mainly let it get full with ice, and that's what keeps my flowers looking fresh a lot longer.
You were just standing there with the wind in your golden hair. Didn't know your name, but I could feel it with every heartbeat. Every time that our eyes would meet. Didn't know back then. And even in my wildest dreams, I didn't think that we could be together. Am I living in a fantasy, or is this for real? Never thought that you could fall for someone like me. Never thought that you could fall for me. Never thought that you could fall for someone like me. Never thought that you could fall for me. For someone like me. For someone like me. For someone like me. For someone like me. I don't know what you see in me. I'm not good for you, can't you see that I will drag you down? Here at the bottom, I hope that you finally see I'm not good enough. And even in my wildest.
So I do like to vacuum my rug, but on this night my kids were sleeping and I did not want to run the risk of waking them up, so I did just sweep the rug as best as I could, especially those big crumbs. They were snacking on some cereal earlier and I just wanted to make sure that nothing was left on my rug. I didn't want anything to stain, or I did not want to have any midnight crawlers coming and snacking on that leftover cereal.
For someone like me. For someone like me. For someone like me. For someone.
And we are getting close to the end of this video. If you have stayed with me this far, please consider subscribing if you are new here. If you have enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up. That will really help me in knowing what you guys are enjoying on my channel. And here are some little clips of how I decorated my home for Valentine's Day. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and don't forget to follow me on my social media, which is my Instagram account. When I am not posting here on YouTube, I am staying very active over there, so please consider subscribing and following me.
Never thought that you could fall for someone like me. Never thought that you could fall for me. Never thought that you could fall for someone like me. Never thought that